How to file for a previous year in TurboTax. So first you want to go to the TurboTax website and sign into your account. Now from the left side panel, you want to click on File or File Your Taxes. And from this section, you will need to choose File Taxes for a prior year. If you're not currently in a filing process, it should show up. And then it will allow you to pick the tax year you need. And then you would usually need the TurboTax desktop software version. So you might need to download it and purchase it if you don't have it already. And once you install it and open it up on your computer, you can move there to complete the return for that year. And then you would need to print it, sign it, and mail the return if the e-file option isn't available or isn't supported, as the prior year returns cannot be filed directly with the TurboTax online website, but some of those past years can be prepared with the TurboTax desktop software and mailed. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.